Please begin by preparing all the materials and laying the beads and stones out in the design you want to create. Take the copper wire provided and attach it to one end of the thread labeled for stringing. You will use the copper wire as a needle to string each bead individually, beginning with the pendant, then the guru bead, followed by the rest of the beads in the order that you chose for your design. We usually add the charm between the 54th and 55th beads so that it falls in the middle of your mala. After you have strung your mala, proceed to tie the two sides of the threads together between the guru bead and the rest of your mala. Tie 2 simple knots to secure all of the beads. Next, insert the end of the thread not attached to the pendant and guru bead back through the guru bead and the pendant. Tie 1 simple thumb knot, making sure all the beads are pushed tightly together. Take the thread labeled for tassel and insert the stringing thread through the middle of the tassel thread. Make 2 knots while pulling them as close as possible to the pendant. Near the pendant, create a small loop with a gold thread and hold it down with your thumb, making sure that one end of the gold thread is around 10 centimeters long. Now take the longer end of the gold thread and wrap it tightly around the tassel thread 20 times, starting from the bottom and wrapping up towards the loop. Insert the end of the gold thread through the loop you created and pull each end of the thread, hence pulling the loop inside the wrapping and making it tight. Cut off the ends of the gold thread and then cut the tassel to whatever length you want. Make sure to cut the tassel straight for best results. Enjoy your new personal mala while spreading light and love. Om Shanti Om.